That's me. What's cracking, guys? Is Dr. Nevel, aka Dr. Ginger Ninja. And today I have Dr. Kendall Hill with me. Dr. Hill is a chiropractic intern. You're at your Palmer College of Chiropractic?
Yes.
So are you going into any certain specialties within chiropractic?
Yeah, so I just got my certification for animal chiropractic, but my interest is to be mobile, to see equestrian riders and their horses at barns around South Florida.
What brings you in today? You were having some issues with your neck and back, correct?
So my whole life I've been riding horses competitively. In middle school, I actually fell off a horse and was stepped on. And that's when I got x-rays and I found out that I have spina bifida and scoliosis, which has been contributing to my pain.
Now, have you ever been kicked or any other injuries, fallen off horses?
I've fallen off multiple times, been kicked a few times, stepped on.
With your history of falling off horses and stuff with the scoliosis, what we want to do is kind of take some updated x-rays on you. You haven't had x-rays in a while, and have a look inside your spine to figure out exactly what's going on. This is our lateral cervical x-ray. This is our AP x-ray. So looking here, you can see how your head kind of comes off to the side here. Definitely there's some elongated transverse processes here at C7. You can see here that you have a decreased cervical lordosis, this curvature of your spine here. And then also we have that lateral curvature to your neck, roughly about 9 degrees of a cervical thoracic right convexity. So looking at the AP view, pretty good through here, but as we get into that thoracolumbar spine, a couple different things going on. You have looks like about a 12-degree scoliosis, but you also have spina bifida, P11 through L1. So spina bifida is where the posterior arch doesn't ever fuse. So this has been going on congenitally since you were born. This isn't something that developed secondary to the horse accidents. This is something you were born with. So you can see that one hip is higher than the other, as well as the pelvis, creating a little pelvic unleveling. The lumbar curvature measures about 9 degrees through that thoracolumbar spine, and you can also see up from T11 down to looks about L2, that spina bifida, where the posterior arches of your spine never fuse together. Now that's a congenital thing that you were born with. This isn't secondary to an accident at all. Okay, we reviewed the x-rays. Everything looks safe to adjust you, so let's go back into the room and get you adjusted, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, why don't we go ahead and get you face down on the table here. So this is just going to traction your back where there's a little bit of minor compression through the low back. That's going to help decompress those discs and stretch all that discs and ligaments and muscles out. Okay, Kendall, we're going to strap your ankles in here so we can laterally bend you side to side. So you're going to feel much deeper stretch into the side of your spine and your side body there. Okay, we're going to get you adjusted now. So I'm going to have you lay on your side and face me here. Any pain with that as we roll you there?
No.
Okay. I want you to go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. Blow all your breath out. Good. How's that feel? Any pain with that?
Nope.
Good. Take a nice deep breath in. Blow it out. Let it relax. Okay, we're going to adjust your mid-back now. So I'm going to have you give yourself a nice big hug. Tuck your chin. Roll you up this way. Take a nice deep breath in, blow it out. Another one, blow it out. One more, blow it out. I'm feeling for the mobility through your spine there. And where we feel that these joints aren't moving properly, that's how we know where to adjust. So is that tender right in here?
Yeah.
Okay. As I put you in position there, any pain with that?
No.
As I rotate you here to about there, any pain from there to there?
No.
Okay, so we're going to get that adjusted. Let the jaw relax, let the shoulder relax. Good. So I'm going to bring your head this way as I rotate here to there. You okay with that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. The jaw and shoulder relax there. Bring that across. Lift up there. Good. As I push down, any pain with that? All right. Take a nice deep breath in. Blow it out. Blow it out. Okay. As I pull there, you okay?
Yes.
That foot relax. Push your elbow straight back against me. All right, same thing with the right shoulder. Go ahead and push your elbow back. All right. So with your x-rays of both the spina bifida and the scoliosis, we really want to make sure that you're getting maintenance adjustments to keep that mobility through there, combined with certain physical therapy exercises that we can go over to help stabilize the spine, stabilize the core, and make sure that that doesn't progress at all, okay? And for everybody watching, punch that like button, check out this video for another chiropractic adjustment or our full playlist down below.